The repair shop doesn't make money when your car runs fine. It makes money when you don't know it could run fine without them. Nearly 94% of drivers pay every single year for diagnostics, maintenance, and repairs that were either completely unnecessary or that they could have fixed themselves for $0. That's not an accident. That's a business model. Mechanics don't talk about this openly. Manufacturers don't either. And dealerships? They're built on the assumption that you don't understand the system. What I'm showing you today are 5 hacks that sound almost too simple to be real. They're not. They work. They're technically proven. They cost you next to nothing, and you can use every single one of them today with things you probably already have at home. I've walked customers through these exact methods. People who were about to hand over $400, $600, once over $1,200 to a shop for problems that solved themselves in under 10 minutes. Not one of them regrets it. Here's what you need to know about this list. Hack number 1 is the one no mechanic will bring up on their own. Not because it's complicated, because it's so straightforward that once you know it, you'll never pay for that problem again. And they know it. We're saving that one for the end. Look at what the average American driver spends every year, over $1,500 on maintenance and unplanned repairs. A large chunk of that doesn't go toward parts. It goes toward labor time, diagnostic fees, and service flat rates for things you could handle with something sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Here's what makes it worse. The less you know, the more expensive it gets. Ignorance isn't your problem. It's their product. And this isn't just about big repairs. It's about air conditioning systems that seem broken but aren't. Headlights that go blind. Rust spreading silently where you never look. Dents that cost you $400 when physics could fix it in 10 minutes. These 5 hacks aren't shortcuts. They're solutions mechanics use on their own vehicles. The only difference between them and you has been information. Number 5 is where we ease in. By the time we hit number 1, you'll know exactly how much money you've been leaving on the table. Number 5, clear your AC drain line. A customer called me, guy in his mid-40s, describing water pooling on the passenger side floor. His dealership already had a diagnosis, failed heater core. Estimate $800, labor not included. I asked him one question, is the AC running normally? Yes, he said. It wasn't the heater core. It was a clogged AC condensate drain, a tube barely the width of a finger that's supposed to carry condensation from the air conditioning system to the outside of the car. When it gets packed with leaves, dirt, or debris, the water backs up and finds the next available exit, straight into the cabin. The fix: locate the drain tube under the hood, usually near the firewall on the passenger side. Run a thin wire, a pipe cleaner, or a shot of compressed air through it. The trapped water starts draining immediately. In a shop, the diagnosis alone starts at $80 to $200. The water on the floor looks dramatic. In about 90% of cases, it's anything but. Number 4, restore headlights with toothpaste. Foggy headlights aren't just ugly. They measurably reduce your nighttime visibility, and in some states, they'll get you flagged at inspection. Here's what's actually happening. The polycarbonate lens on your headlights degrades from UV exposure over time. The surface oxidizes, turns hazy, yellows out. Restoration kits in the US run anywhere from $15 to $50 and involve multiple steps. What almost nobody knows, regular white toothpaste, not gel, the paste with mild abrasives, does the same job. Apply it to the lens with a damp cloth. Rub in circular motions for about 2 minutes, rinse. While the surface is still slightly damp, apply a thin layer of car wax. That seals the surface and slows the next round of oxidation. Professional headlight restoration, $50 to $150. Here, something you've already got in your bathroom. The result lasts months. Not forever, but long enough to repeat the process before you ever pay for it again. Number 3, rust protection with lanolin spray. Rust doesn't announce itself. It starts in wheel wells, under the chassis, inside weld seams, everywhere you never look. By the time it's visible on the surface, it's already deep into the metal. What shops sell you is rubberized undercoating. What they don't tell you, rubberized coatings can trap moisture if the surface underneath isn't perfectly prepped and actually accelerate corrosion. What mechanics use on their own vehicles? Lanolin, a natural wax compound derived from sheep's wool, used in agriculture for decades. Lanolin penetrates light surface rust, displaces moisture, and forms a flexible protective barrier that self-seals over minor cracks. Longevity: 6 to 12 months. Application is straightforward. Lift the vehicle safely, spray all exposed metal, frame rails, brake lines, exhaust mounts, suspension components, weld seams. One can covers a full sedan. Let it set for an hour. Professional rust proofing, $150 to $600. This method, $15 to $25 once a year. But if you think that's the best hack on this list, wait until you see what's next. Number 2, pull dents with hot water. Someone clipped your bumper. Paint is intact, but there's a clean dent sitting right in the middle of the panel. Ugly, annoying, expensive. Paintless dent repair in the US runs anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on size and location. Here's what most drivers don't know. Modern bumpers are made from thermoplastic, a material that becomes pliable when exposed to heat and has shape memory built into it. The method: pour boiling water directly over the dented area. The material heats up and softens. Then, press a clean household plunger firmly against the dent and pull. The suction draws the plastic back toward its original form. If it doesn't pop on the first try, reheat and repeat. Once it's out, pour cold water over it immediately. That locks the shape back in place. Time: under 10 minutes. Cost: $0. One condition: the paint has to be intact. If the clear coat is cracked, this method won't work. But hack number 1 is a different category entirely. Number 1, peppermint oil against rodents. This is the one no shop brings up voluntarily. Not because it doesn't work, because it dries up one of their most reliable income streams. Rats and mice are drawn to engine bays. Warm, sheltered, packed with wiring that's perfect for chewing. A single rodent can cause thousands of dollars in damage within hours. Wiring harnesses destroyed, sensors compromised, insulation torn apart. Insurance covers it partially, if at all. What shops sell you? Ultrasonic deterrent devices, specialty sprays, prevention packages. What actually works? Peppermint essential oil. The scent is neurologically overwhelming for rodents. It acts as an invisible barrier they won't cross. Soak cotton balls in pure peppermint oil and place them throughout the engine bay, especially near air intakes and wheel well openings. Reapply every 2 to 3 weeks. No chemicals, no hardware, no technician. A small bottle of peppermint oil, $8 to $15, lasts for months. A single wiring harness chew-through, $1,500 to $3,000, sometimes more. This isn't a tip that fell through the cracks. It's information that's being quietly kept from you. 5 hacks. Together, they'll cost you under $50, and they'll protect you from repairs that others are dropping thousands on. You now know how to clear a clogged AC drain in under a minute, how to restore foggy headlights with something already in your bathroom, how to stop rust for $20 instead of $600, how thermoplastic responds to heat, and why peppermint oil outperforms any prevention package a shop tries to sell you. You're now driving with information most people never get. Next time a service advisor slides an estimate across the counter for your AC, your rust, your headlights, you'll know exactly what question to ask and what you might just handle yourself. If you want to know which used vehicles mechanics are actually buying for their own families right now, the ones with the lowest unplanned repair rates on the market, I did a full video on that. It's right here. Drive safe and don't let anyone profit from what you don't know.